Hey, we're gonna try to do some pond fishing. We're in a really good subdivision. It's got some really good ponds. It did rain earlier, actually stormed for a little bit, and the cold front came through, and it went from, I think yesterday was 82, now it's 68. We're gonna see what happens and get at it. There's one. First fish. Drop shot. Not a bad one. He's gonna jump. It's not a bad one at all. That's what I took though, is a drop shot. First fish, not a bad one. Another one. I came off. Came back that third time, screwed up. I didn't. Screwed up twice, got gone the last one. Shit, missed him. Is he paying attention? I want that dark colored. There's another one. What the hell? That's the biggest perch I've ever caught. That beats yesterday's. I mean, monster of a perch. Monster one. What? Jeez. Not a bad one. Yep. Acrobatic guy. A little bitty guy. A little fatty though. Big old one. Big old perch in these ponds.